Be the thermostat and not the thermometer. Do not just reflect the culture, but be the culture of your school and your classroom. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am Dr. Tron Young. I'm an educator, principal, motivator, podcaster, professional development provider, and John Maxwell leadership coach. And I want to help you reach your goals, your staff reach their goals, and your students tomorrow to be brighter than they're today. Because what I realize is you have to do the things that others may not think to do to get the results that others are not able to get. Let's reach out. Let's connect today. Let's be the thermostat and not the thermometer. Currently booking for 2023.